Good day, everyone. So as you can see on this particular slide, we have here few key elements. We have my professional photo taken with careful attention to lighting and presentation, including enhancement for clarity. I'm dressed formally and my ORCID number is displayed for reference. Next, you'll notice the logo of our university or agency, the Batangas State University, followed by the flag of my home country, the Philippines. On this slide, we see a few iconic images. First, I've included the GPS coordinates making the location of my country, Philippines, which provides a geographic context for where I am based. And then you'll find some image of my university showcasing its iconic landmarks and spaces that represent the heart of our academic community. So I am Dr. Estelito J. Punumbayan, the proponent of this research. This is all about reading comprehension, which I believe is a vital skill for academic success, specifically for grade 6 pupils preparing for more complex learning. The Directed Reading Thinking Activity or DRTA is an instructional strategy that encourages active engagement with text through prediction, questioning, and reflection aimed at improving comprehension. This study examines the effectiveness of DRTA in enhancing reading comprehension among grade 6 pupils, offering insights for educators seeking to strengthen reading skills in elementary education. So let's go to the background of the study. At grade 6, students reach a critical stage in literacy development, transitioning from learning to read to reading to learn. This shift presents challenges, as students must begin using reading as a tool for acquiring new knowledge across subjects. To address these challenges, we're focusing on Directed Reading Thinking Activity or DRTA strategy. DRTA promotes active engagement, critical thinking, and metacognitive skills, helping students become more independent and strategic readers. The study aims to evaluate DRTA's effectiveness in improving reading comprehension. By doing so, we hope to gain insights into how this evidence-based strategy can support struggling readers, enhance academic performance, and lay a strong foundation for long-term academic success. This study is grounded in key concepts that support literacy development, reading comprehension, word recognition, and sequencing. These skills are essential as students shift from learning to read to reading to learn. We focus on prediction skills, a central component of the Directed Reading Thinking Activity or DRTA strategy, which involves prediction, verification, and reflection on text. These stages foster active engagement and critical thinking. The framework also acknowledges the importance of parental involvement in enhancing students' academic achievement. Research shows that parental support boosts literacy development and overall performance. Together, DRTA literacy skills, parental involvement, and academic achievement form the basis for improving reading comprehension and study success. The research followed a quasi-experimental pretest post-test design where two groups of participants were compared. The experimental group, which used the DRTA-based strategy, and the control group, which followed the traditional reading methods. Data were collected through pretest and post-test assessments to measure changes in word recognition, sequencing, and prediction skills. Additionally, parental involvement was gauged through surveys, interviews, and focus groups with participants in the experimental group. The data analysis included t-test and ANOVA to compare pre-test and post-test results, correlation and regression analysis to explore the relationship between parental involvement and reading skills, and effect size calculation to assess the impact of the DRTA strategy. The study aimed to provide insights into the effectiveness of DRTA the role of parental involvement in literacy development, and how DRTA compared to traditional methods in improving reading comprehension and overall academic performance. So let's now delve into the results and discussion. For objective number 1, it is revealed that the DRTA strategy led to significant improvements in reading comprehension, with both male and female pupils in the experimental group advancing to higher levels, while the control group showed only slight progress, as you can see on the screen. And many studies such as Hare and Ottman in 2016, Said and Seiki in 2020, and Shang and Anderson in 2022, they have demonstrated that DRTA is an effective strategy for improving reading comprehension. Like these studies, these research found significant improvements in comprehension levels for students in the experimental group. For the second objective, it is revealed that the analysis of the pretest and post-test scores had a significant difference in the experimental group, where the implementation of the DRTA strategy had a notable impact, as indicated by the z-value of negative 2.37785 and a p-value of 0.0174, as you can see on the screen. And according to Klein and Williams, they reviewed a number of studies that utilized control and experimental group in education. They confirmed that experimental groups receiving targeted interventions like DRTA often exhibit significant changes in performance, reflected in lower p-values, while control groups without the intervention typically show no significant difference in pretest and post-test scores. So as to the next objective, the findings suggest that the DRTA, or Directed Reading Thinking Activity Strategy, positively impacted students' reading comprehension by enhancing their word recognition, sequencing abilities, and predictive skills, fostering greater confidence in recognizing unfamiliar words, accurately sequencing events, and making informed predictions about text. So as you can see on the screen, you have here for word recognition, the first in rank is improvement in recognizing words. And for sequencing, the first in rank is attentiveness in sequencing details. And for the third, predicting, the first in rank is improvement in predicting. So to support this finding, the studies by Aguirre, Gotthardt et al., Satriani et al., and others, they supported the notion that DRTA fosters students' ability to recognize words more confidently, sequence events accurately, and make informed predictions, all of which contribute to deeper understanding and retention of reading material. These consistent positive results across various areas suggest that DRTA is a powerful tool for improving students' overall reading comprehension skills. The next objective, investigate the extent of parental involvement in improving the reading comprehension levels of grade 6 pupils. And it is revealed that parental involvement has a moderate but significant impact on improving the reading comprehension levels of grade 6 pupils, with parents playing a crucial role in supporting reading development through actions such as monitoring progress, providing engaging reading materials, and collaborating with teachers to address reading difficulties. So as you can see on this particular presentation, the bar chart presented the parental involvement statements. The first in line is, my parents keep track of my reading development, which gained a weighted mean of 3.58. And then next is, my parents let me choose reading material. And then followed by, my parents collaborate with teachers to address reading difficulties. So that means that the first in rank is that the parents are keeping track of the reading development of the pupils or of the students. So in the study of Tan et al. In 2020, Irobu and Ifedayo in 2020, it highlights the crucial role of parents in supporting reading development through activities such as monitoring progress, providing diverse reading materials, and collaborating with teachers. So based on the findings, the following conclusions are hereby endorsed. That the DRTA strategy has a significant and positive impact on improving the reading comprehension levels of grade 6 pupils, particularly in the experimental group. Next, that the DTR strategy has a measurable impact on reading comprehension. Next, the DRTA strategy significantly improves students' ability to recognize words, sequence events, and predict outcomes in stories. And the last, parental involvement plays a significant role in enhancing the reading comprehension levels of grade 6. For the recommendations, first, that schools and educators may adopt this strategy more broadly across different grade levels and subjects. Next, schools may implement more structured programs that encourage and facilitate greater parental involvement in students' reading development. And the last, further research may be conducted to assess the long-term impact of the DRTA strategy on reading comprehension and academic achievement. For the impact of the study or the outcomes of the study, first, the findings could trigger policy revisions or new educational standards in literacy instruction. Next, this study may lead to the development of reading comprehension workbooks tailored to DRTA methodology. And of course, the study's findings are likely to be published in academic journals focused on education, literacy, and pedagogy. So here are the references of this particular research. Thank you for listening. That would be all.